Alright, personal box break of the brand new Origins Football 2016 for MM. Alright, MM, I got 3 cases sitting here. You're going to be the lucky guy that picks one that we're going to use for personals and probably a random or a half case PYT or something. So the other 2 that you leave here are going to be for the dual case break that we're just about full on. Once Frost and a couple other people take some teams, we'll be breaking that one. Alright, fresh sealed case of the Origins for a personal box, $92 in the store. Don't screw us up. If you get a Wentz in a personal, that's insane. You've run pretty hot in personals, actually. You've done a lot on release day and stuff, and you've run pretty sick in personals, I must admit. And by the way, that Treadwell freaking RPA swoosh you pulled was nasty. I am an idiot. Okay. Yeah, it's true. Yeah, they are. 1 through 16, MM. Number 6. Number 6, good luck. Yep. Alright. First up, base card, Julian Edelman. Next up, base card, Larry Fitz. Next up, number 2, 150, 040 of 150 for the Bucks, Jameis Winston. Out of 150. I don't know what order they were in here. Rookie auto for the Baltimore Ravens. On card, Keenan Reynolds. Keenan Reynolds. Rookie auto. I guess he's going 100s. Base card, Jordy Nelson. Origins, 2-color jersey out of 125. Rookie for the Texans, Tyler Ervin. Tyler Ervin, 2-color rookie jersey out of 125. And last but not least, 49 of 99, 3-color RPA, Jersey auto for the Broncos, Devontae Booker. Devontae Booker. Nice patch. That was a box. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.